Dhaka and Swadesh both are known for the Indian design and craft sensibility. It was very easy to kind of amalgamate both. I just touch crafts very lightly. I work on block prints and hand-woven textiles, but the colors are kind of diluted. Both of us have a very Indian design aesthetic, but I think I tread on it very lightly. So it's kind of more contemporary, light, easy, everyday, artisanal. It's like a travelogue. We kind of travel through the whole of Sam, which is the desert of Rajasthan. So the desert of Gujarat is called Ran, and the desert from Bikaner until Jaisalmer is called Sam. That was the inspiration on the mood board. So we had a lot of visuals of the desert, and we had a lot of visuals of the gypsy, the milkman, the woman in the married with beautiful colors and ear piercings and tattoos and all that kind of a bohemian mood board. And we settled on this technique, which is a Leheriya technique actually. It's called Samdar Leher, which is a kind of a color combination which is worn at the onset of spring, mostly like Fagan colors. So that was the color sensibility that we started with, and that became our mood board, and we block printed it. India is known for its legacy of crafts and artisanal textiles, which is great. But at the same time, when we are extremely heavy about it, like, we do trousseaux, we have beautiful Banarasi saris and Kanjivaram saris. But how do you do this more contemporary way so that it becomes cool, that, the younger generation wears it, and it's just our language. We don't have to leave an imprint with a lot of nerdiness of the literature of, the whole seriousness of craft. So the idea is to bridge this gap while making it cool, contemporary, easy. The footprint is easy, where I want to see young girls wearing those things with flared denims. I want them to be wearing it like everyday dresses. They do care about the story, but in any case, I think people who are buying craft are the ones who are very aware. So that we already know, that is given. The idea is, honestly, when we do collabs like this, I think we want more people to know about it. We want the younger generation to be interested, invested, and that's why storyline is important.